supplements and physical activity. Do you take supplements when you exercise, before or after? Which would you recommend?
I take whey protein. It helps with recovery. I usually take it post workouts, but even on days when I'm not working out and I want to meet my protein targets.
Do you take it immediately after the workout, or do you wait a certain time?
As soon as I get home.
But what's
what's
the window period there?
I'm not sure it's mandatory for you to like wait a certain period of time.
I want you. Do you take
me
it
as soon as I get home?
usually? What time is it? Not the actual time,
It's at
but
night.
after how long?
Within 30 minutes of gym.
Ah,
30
okay,
minutes
that's
after
okay.
gym.
Okay, that's okay. Thing is, most people think you have to take it within that 30-minute window because they think you lose your gains. But then that's actually not true. You still need to take it, but then the thing that's more important is just consistency. How consistent you are with the exercise is way, way, way more important. And the thing about supplements, people just make them out to be this whole magical thing, but it's not really that magical. You can still get your protein intake without the supplements. A lot of people can still reach the target, so there's not really any need. But the question again, is it better to have a pre-workout or a post-workout supplement, depending on what's important with you? So the pre-workout, usually that's just caffeine. You can feel more energetic and you can feel like you want to do the exercises, but it's the caffeine in the pre-workout. If you do want or going to be doing long strenuous exercises, that can be beneficial. That's something that you can do. Or you can just have a light snack or a light meal like yogurt or banana or something with just some sort of protein, so it can still provide you essential energy throughout the workout. Post workout, 1 to 3 hours after, that can still be beneficial. It is still recommended to eat a healthy diet, but if you don't have time, you don't have anything to do, or you have stuff to do after your exercise, a post-workout like a shake, like a whey protein, then that's still okay. That's something that you can have. The more important thing is just consistency, being consistent with everything. The supplements won't give you any magical things. It's not the end all be all, but it does help in some way. It's not to say that it's useless, but it does help in certain ways.
Oh, it helps.
Okay.
It helps, bro.
You're noticing the difference.
Yeah. Bro, I'm losing weight in such a consistent way. I actually can't believe it.
Oh, really? Why do you...
This week I was 86.5. Remember last time I was 93.
Yeah,
94.
I want to know, why do you think you're losing the weight and you're happy with it? What do you think is the important thing there that made you to lose the weight?
I'm not stressed about it.
Oh.
I'm just continuing my... Yeah, one thing that most people fail to understand is that stress contributes to weight loss. It contributes to weight loss. So if you're more focused on, hey, I want to lose my 5 kg.
Yeah.
My boy, take it from me. That weight is not going. You'll drink vinegar and all of those things. It's not going.
So with the exercise, did you increase your exercise?
No, I just...
It's the same.
Deficit.
So the exercise is the same.
Yeah.
And you started noticing...
It's the same.
You started noticing gains. Is it?
Diet. Yes. I just changed my diet. There's more protein now.
Creatine? Do you take creatine?
No, I stopped.
Okay. Oh, you stopped? Why?
No, man, the water retention was too much. I don't like it.
Okay. Okay. Actually, I have an update on my creatine. I've been taking creatine December up until I think March. I don't remember, but I took creatine for 3 months. I finished the whole tub. I've been taking 5 grams every day. Same with creatine. They do say you can take it after an exercise. there's not much of a big difference that you're going to see. The effects are still the same. The important thing is just consistently take your creatine before or after your workouts. But then if you're taking it after your workouts, it's not going to give you much big of a recovery, but it does help. What I did notice, so these are a few things that I did notice while taking creatine, while taking the supplements. So I was taking 5 grams. The scoop, I think, is 5 grams every day. I never skipped a day. One positive thing is that it helped me drink more water, because I have to
Yes.
pour it into my water bottle. I was just constantly drinking more water. So that's a positive. In terms of recovery, I don't know if I can say that I do feel better, because I've been doing other things that are also positive as well. I'm still exercising regularly. I'm still eating well regularly. I don't eat like fast food or snacks that much. I still have them, but it's not something that I constantly have. Alcohol,
Okay.
I think certain months I didn't. December I did drink. January, February I don't think I had any, and then March I did drink. So it's not constant, so I can't really say how often I did have them. And I finished everything. I'm seeing something. You saw when I was I could see something, but I don't know if I can accredit it to the creatinine. Creatine, sorry. I did notice the weight gain at the start, but I continued despite everything. And then after that, it's just temporary. I promise you, it's just temporary. You'll see the water
I
retention
took it for months, bro.
for how many months?
I think 2.
Oh, well, at the start with me, I did notice I was a bit puffy, but over time, I started noticing that I'm losing the weight, and then started becoming more muscular in a way. I can start to feel my muscles, like my legs. I can feel that they're more stiff, like more rigid than so. Hey, my body used to be soft. right now right now it's getting a bit more stiff, so I'm kind of seeing some of the changes, but I don't know if I can accredit it to creatine. But what I'm doing now is that, because I've stopped for the next 3 months, I'm continuing the same thing without it. Then I will see. Then I will
You know
see.
what? You know what it helps with? Besides what you see there, it also helps with like that extra energy to your muscle. So when you're doing reps, like when I was lifting with creatine, I'd lift 120 kg, I'd deadlift 120 kg.
Yeah.
When I went off it,
Yeah.
120 kg felt like a lot. Like it
Mm,
just gives you that extra push, that extra 2 reps.
yeah.
It gives you that.
Yeah.
Gives you
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, I get that. But sometimes when I see things like that, I kind of wonder, is it because I know I've been taking this? So that's why I'm saying I want to go the next 3 months without it, and
Without it. Yeah.
see how we're doing. The how much can I really still do, and how will I feel, how my energy levels. I don't want to change much of anything, because there's so many other factors that are still important. Okay, consistency, wow. Sleep, this is very important. Sleep, recovery. The rest days are just as important as the active days. You can be active as much as you want, but the rest days, those are very important. You
Oh,
need to
very.
rest. Most of us are not resting enough, and most of us are resting too many times. But having the balance is still important with everything. It's just balance, consistency, eating well, eating pattern, patience. Another thing is patience. Just be patient with everything. Don't rush it. Please don't rush it. It takes time. Change does take time. If you're rushing to achieve everything within 1 year, what's going to happen the next year? What's going to happen the next 5 years? What's going to happen the next 10 years? Because you'll still be here, and you'll still be struggling. So rather look at it long term. Look at it long term. In 5 years from now, you'll be 30. You won.
Yeah. Yeah.
So just focus on the habits that you can keep up until you reach at least 50. From there, just You just let go.
I never.
From there, you just let go and see what happens.
Yeah, no. I think
At what
I'll
age?
be.
Yeah, by the way, at what age do you think you'll just you'll just you'll look at your stomach and be like, you know what? I'm fine now. Whatever happens, happens.
Eh, yeah, I don't know, bruh. But as long as I still look good in my clothes, I'm fine.
Yeah, until what age? Until what age?
Until what age? Ah, that's
Yeah.
forever. Drip is forever. Drip is forever, eh? No, the thing is, when I gain too much weight,
Yeah.
clothes don't look as good as they look on me when I'm,
Yeah, when you're,
you know.
yeah, bro, when you're
Eh,
slim.
mukhaba wa hona, mara, like, some
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah,
Once we're big,
yeah,
this keeper
yeah.
sa Chelsea sirenyana se a tshekama,
Eish, eish. You know what I hate so much is this thing, having to do this thing. Ish.
yo,
And
yo,
it
yo.
happens so subconsciously, man.
I still do it,
I
bro.
can't help it. Yeah, I've been seeing you with certain shirts that you wear. Yeah, yeah,
Like it's just it's still, yeah. Once a fat boy,
yeah. It's in the
always a
mind.
fat boy. It's in the
Yeah,
mind.
yeah. But anyway, that was all about physical activity. If you have any questions in terms of physical activity and pairing it with your